If you have a cat, you know they are masters at hiding when something is wrong. Unlike dogs, who tend to show pain and discomfort more clearly, cats simply suffer in silence. And that's where the danger lies. Your cat could be sick right now, and you might not even notice. But don't worry, because today I'm going to show you 7 signs that indicate something is wrong with your feline's health. And listen, number 5 is one of the most ignored by cat owners. Don't make this mistake. Before we start, if you love animals and want to learn more about how to take care of your pet, subscribe to the Animal Insider. Here you'll find everything about the animal world, always in a simple and direct way. Now, let's get to the list. Number 1. Change in eating habits. One thing we always notice in our daily lives is how our cat eats. Some are greedy, others are more selective, but one thing is certain. If your cat's appetite changes, something is wrong. Did your cat stop eating? This could be a sign of pain, dental problems, stress, or even serious diseases like kidney failure or infections. If your cat refuses food for more than 24 hours, that's a major red flag. Is your cat eating too much? Many people think this is a good sign, but a sudden increase in appetite could be linked to hormonal issues, diabetes, or even worms. And it doesn't stop there. How they eat also matters. Is your cat eating too slowly, spitting out food, or just licking it? This could be due to tooth pain, mouth inflammation, or another condition that's making eating difficult. It's always best to keep an eye on their food bowl. If you notice any changes in how they eat, don't ignore it. Your cat may be trying to tell you something without making a sound. Number 2. Strange behavior or apathy. You know your cat better than anyone. If they've always been playful and suddenly seem uninterested, spend all day hiding, or don't react like before, that could be a warning sign. From friendly to aggressive. If a cat that used to love affection starts avoiding contact, getting irritated, or even attacking you for no reason, they could be in pain or feeling uncomfortable. Are they distant and unresponsive? If your cat no longer wants to play, doesn't run around the house, and just lies around all day, this could indicate fever, infection, or even emotional issues like stress or depression. And look, this isn't just moodiness. Cats are sensitive, and any change in their environment, like a new pet, moving to a new home, or even their owner spending less time with them, can affect their emotions. If your cat suddenly acts like a completely different animal, don't ignore it. Their behavior might be telling you what they can't express with words. Number 3. Issues with urination or feces. Okay, no one likes to talk about this, but your cat's litter box can reveal a lot about their health. If there's one thing you should always keep an eye on, it's their bathroom habits. Is your cat peeing less? This could be a sign of kidney problems or even a urinary blockage, an extremely dangerous condition that can be fatal within days if not treated. If your cat enters the litter box, strains, and comes out without urinating, rush to the vet immediately. Hard stools or constant diarrhea. If your cat is constipated, it could be due to dehydration or digestive issues. On the other hand, if they have frequent diarrhea, it might be caused by worms, infections, or even food poisoning. Blood in urine or feces. This is never a good sign. It could be anything from inflammation to a serious underlying condition. If you notice any blood, don't wait. Take your cat to the vet right away. Many people ignore these signs, but they can save your cat's life. So, next time you clean the litter box, take a closer look. Number 4. Dull coat or excessive hair loss. You know that soft, shiny, well-groomed fur that every healthy cat has? If your cat's coat looks different, it could be a sign that something is wrong. Dull, dry, or patchy fur. This could indicate nutritional deficiencies, stress, or even hormonal issues. Cats groom themselves to maintain a healthy coat, but when they're sick, they may stop cleaning themselves, or do it excessively, causing bald spots. Excessive shedding. It's normal for cats to shed throughout the year, but if you're finding clumps of fur all over the house, it could be a sign of allergies, parasites, or even more serious diseases like liver or kidney problems. Sores, or intense itching. If your cat is constantly scratching, biting their skin, or has wounds on their body, it could be dermatitis, food allergies, or even a flea or tick infestation. A cat's coat directly reflects their health, so if you notice any changes, don't ignore them. It could be a minor nutritional issue, or the first sign of something more serious. Number 5. Breathing issues or frequent sneezing. Has your cat been breathing strangely, sneezing a lot, or even panting for no reason? This could be a major warning sign. Fast or difficult breathing. If your cat is breathing too quickly, with their mouth open, or struggling to catch their breath, don't ignore it. This could be a sign of feline asthma, respiratory infections, or even heart problems. Constant sneezing and nasal discharge? Just like us, cats can catch colds and flu. But if your cat is sneezing non-stop and has eye or nasal discharge, it might be a case of feline viral rhinotracheitis, a serious respiratory infection that needs immediate treatment. Snoring or strange breathing noises? If you notice your cat making unusual sounds while breathing, it could be a sign of airway problems, inflammation, or even a foreign object stuck in their nose. Your cat's breathing tells you a lot about their health, so pay close attention. If you notice any changes that don't improve within a day or two, take them to the vet as soon as possible. Respiratory problems can be mild, but they can also indicate something much more serious. Number 6. Excessive scratching or skin wounds. Has your cat been scratching more than usual? Have you noticed them licking or biting a particular spot over and over again? This could be an important warning sign. Fleas and ticks. The most common cause of itching is parasites. The worst part? You might not even see them. A single bite can cause allergic reactions, infections, and even anemia in severe cases. Food allergies or dermatitis. If your cat doesn't have fleas but is still constantly itching, the problem could be their food or even products like shampoo and litter. Red skin, excessive scratching, and wounds are classic signs of an allergic reaction. Compulsive licking and open sores. If your cat is licking one area so much that they're losing fur or developing wounds, it could be due to stress, anxiety, or even a serious skin infection. Your cat's skin reflects their overall health. If they are constantly scratching or developing sores, don't ignore it. The problem could be much more serious than it seems. And finally, number 7. Unusual eyes and gums. Have you ever taken a close look at your cat's eyes or checked their gums? These small details can reveal a lot about their health. Watery, red, or goopy eyes. If your cat's eyes are constantly watering or have excessive discharge, they could have an eye infection, conjunctivitis, or even a viral disease like feline herpes virus, FHV. If they blink excessively or avoid light, something could be irritating their vision. Yellowish eyes? Be careful. Yellow eyes, or even yellowish skin, can be a sign of liver problems, which require immediate attention. And what about their gums? Most people never check, but a cat's gums can tell you a lot about their health. Pale or white gums. Possible anemia. Bluish or purple gums. Lack of oxygen in the blood, which could indicate heart or respiratory issues. Bright red gums, a sign of severe inflammation or infection. Many cat owners only notice something is wrong when it's already serious. But now that you know these warning signs, pay attention. If you notice any changes in your cat's eyes or gums, don't wait. Take them to the vet ASAP. How many of these 7 signs have you noticed in your cat? If your answer is none, that's great. It means your cat is healthy. But if you recognized any of these symptoms, don't ignore them. Your cat might be trying to tell you something is wrong, and the sooner you act, the better. Cats don't speak, but their bodies give us clues. Now that you know how to read them, stay alert and take care of your feline friend with love. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and share it with other cat owners. And before you go, subscribe to the Animal Insider. We bring amazing content about the animal world to help you understand and care for your pet better. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out.